We didn't reveal this Quran for you to be miserable. I mean, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that to His Prophet. We did not reveal this Quran for you to be miserable. The mukhalafa, the understanding, the reverse understanding is anzalnahu li tas'ad. We revealed this book to make you happy. So if Islam is not making you happy, something's wrong with your Islam. And if you're making other people unhappy, woe unto you for driving people out of Islam. And there are people that are driving people away from Islam. And we're in the end game, people. I mean, if you don't see that, I don't know what planet you're living on. We're coming down to end game. Maybe it's 100 years from now, maybe it's 200, I don't know. Those things are in the knowledge of God. But our Prophet said, "Bu'ittu wasa'a kahataini." I was sent, and the end of time are like these two, and he put his wusta and his sababa together, just like that. "Bu'ittu ana wasa'atain wasa'atu kahataini." I was sent, and the hour is like this. That was 1400 years ago. And in terms of how long humans have been here, it's not a long time, 1400 years. It's just a flash. So this is a time for people to have a lot of rahab, just expansiveness in their hearts for people. Baza, baza. I wish I could quote it in Persian, but we're in the city of Maulana Jalaluddin, and he has a beautiful qasida which is in the entrance to his maqam. Come again. Come. Whatever you've done, this isn't a caravan of despair. Sinner, if you've broken your vow 1,000 times, just come back. The door's open, and anybody that closes it is a shaitan. And there's people closing that door on people that need to hear that message. Because this world can defile you. But no matter how defiled you are, Allah's door is open. No matter what's happened to you, Allah's door is open. I mean, we have testimony in the hadith to a mass murderer who was given tawbah. He killed 100 people and he was given tawbah. This door is open, and people, we need to open it up and let people come in with all their faults and all their flaws and all their dysfunctionalities and all their problems. Just open the door and let people come in.